On this episode of Arizona Treks, we take you to San Tan Mountain Regional Park to ride some of the most scenic mountain biking trails in the Phoenix area that are fun for both novice and advanced riders. Come along for this exhilarating ride through the lower Sonoran Desert on the San Tan and Moonlight Trails that offer the perfect mix of thrilling descents and challenging climbs. San Tan Mountain Regional Park is located 46 miles or 55 minutes southeast of central Phoenix near Queen Creek, Arizona. The park contains more than 20 miles of trails for hiking, horseback riding, and mountain biking. There is a $7 entry fee for day use. The trailhead offers plenty of parking and restrooms with running water, and dogs on leashes are allowed on the trails. The park's gates are open from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m., from May 1st through October 31st, and from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m., from November 1st through April 31st. We'll ride on the San Tan and Moonlight Trails to create a 6.2-mile loop through the heart of the park. The San Tan Trail is rated as moderate difficult, and the Moonlight Trail is rated as moderate. From the trailhead, we took the San Tan Trail south for 2 miles, before it changes directions and heads west for about a half mile, before turning north and eventually connecting with the Moonlight Trail back to the trailhead. The trail gradually gains elevation for about the first mile and a half of our ride, until we reach a ridge that overlooks the valley. From here, you can see spectacular views of the Goldmine Mountain to the north, and Rock Peak and the Malpais Hills to the south. The trail then quickly drops in elevation, and you're off on an exhilarating downhill ride. After a short stretch riding west on the Santan Trail, you come across one of the park's standout icons, the hang-loose crested saguaro. It is estimated that only 1 in 200,000 saguaros grow a fan-like top known as a crest. These rare crested or crestate saguaro start growing a crest formation when they are between 60 to 80 years old. After a short break to marvel at the rarity of the crested saguaro, we continue our ride on the Santan Trail. The trail weaves through a number of switchbacks and short drop-offs down into dry wash beds as it slowly gains elevation on its way north. Eventually, we turn east or right onto the Moonlight Trail for the final segment of our ride. This trail is rated as moderate, with sections of it being rocky and hilly. However, the last section of the trail is a fast, easy ride back to the trailhead that provides spectacular views of the surrounding mountains. On this ride, we rode a total distance of about 6.2 miles, using a combination of two trails, gaining about 476 feet in elevation, which took us about 45 minutes to complete. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you plan your next mountain bike ride through the desert. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more trail guides and trip ideas for exploring Arizona.